Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great coupe in our collection. A pre-owned 2013 Fiat 500. This Fiat is powered by front-wheel drive 4-liter engine, manual transmission, and has 32,271 miles. Discover fun and style with this 2013 Fiat 500. Compact, fuel-efficient, and ready for urban adventures. Enjoy its iconic design and zippy performance. Don't miss out on an affordable classic. Drive your dream car today. This pre-owned 500 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows, alloy wheels. To keep you entertained, this Fiat 500 is equipped with Bluetooth. Safety was put first by the following features: traction control, adaptive cruise control, ABS brakes. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.